Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to replace my worn out scan 2 LCA lower control arm with a new LCA here, and then I show all of you how to replace the lower control arm. What we need here, that actually you need to have when replacing lower control arm is firstly ratchet, this ratchet, and then 70 mm socket, 14 mm socket, and then all the L spanner with extendable handle, and then a mallet. What the important thing you need to have is the LCS that you want to replace, the old LCS. This one is a new LCS for my EF. Here is my EF, two-door EF hatchback, also known as EF9. So I'm going to change, replace its LCS old scan to that worn up, and then with a new LCS. This LCS actually EK type, Honda Civic EK type for absorber, for EK absorbers, but actually it is used for EF or EGs, or both of EF and EG, they share same size of LCS. Here is a new LCS, and then I'm going to show you how to replace the old LCS with a new LCS. Actually my EF use EK type, that EK type absorbers, 4 type, so it will use EK type LCS for EF or EGs. Alright, then I will continue with the process of replacing my LCS. So wait for it.